Hi guys, are you looking for the best lick mats for dog? In this video we will show the best lick mats for dog. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 lick mats for dog you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best lick mats for dog from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Matilife 2 PCS Small Lick Mat for Dogs and Cats. The Matilife 2 PCS is a tiny lick pad for cats and dogs that is excellent for reducing stress in pets, protecting them from getting bored, and encouraging healthier eating habits. These mats make your pet lick, which creates endorphins, and are ideal for situations where anxiety develops during washing, grooming, or when fireworks are put off. They may adhere to the wall thanks to the 49 powerful suction cups, giving pets something to occupy them and reduce discomfort. This product is ideal for feeding dogs and/or cats because of its 2-quadrant shape, which promotes foraging and wading. Made from FDA-approved food-grade silicone, these mats are long-lasting, safe, and perfect for a variety of treats, including wet meals and peanut butter. In order to help digestion and avoid overeating, the feeding rate should also be regular. These mats are ideal for busy pet parents because they are freezer-safe and washable. Number 2. Dog Licking Mat Slow Food Mat Drizzling. The most important part of choosing a lick mat is ensuring your dog enjoys the mat's design, which is where this 2-pack is useful. With the 2 distinct patterns it comes with, you may test out which pattern your dog prefers and which helps to calm them down. If you have 2 dogs, each can join in on the fun. There are 2 mats in the 2-pack, each measuring 8 by 8 inches. Let's say your dog is bigger than average. If so, you might want to think about getting the larger model, which is 11 by 11 inches and is sold separately rather than in pairs, since they might eat up food on these smaller mats too rapidly. The FDA-grade TPE used to make these lick mats function similarly to rubber but lacks suction holes on the bottom to keep it firmly in place. You may safely freeze, microwave, and clean this kind of plastic in a dishwasher. Number 3. Lick Mat for Dogs. Just add peanut butter and other things to the dog lick mat and adhere it to the glass, tile, or bathtub. It works well to divert your pet's attention and soothe them while they're being bathed or groomed. Use on cats and dogs of all sizes. This dog or cat lick mat is not just for bathing, it can also be used for training, grooming, and nail care. Dog licking mats decrease destructive behavior, boredom, and anxiety. As your pet savors their favorite goodie, keep them relaxed. This dog lick pad is safe for your pet to use because it is made of food-grade silicone and doesn't contain BPA. Your pet will remain delightfully entertained while licking peanut butter, yogurt, pumpkin puree, and other organic, natural, and healthful treats from the slow-feeding licking mat. Number 4. Bone-shaped silicone licking pad pet. Pets are our best companions, so their health is most important. Every one of our dog licking mats is constructed from safe food-grade silicone, which gives it exceptional durability and prevents freezing. Your pet's feeding habits can be slowed down while still enjoying a soothing activity with the bone lick pad. To keep your dog entertained at mealtimes or stressful circumstances, spread their favorite treats, such as peanut butter or soft food. Its rough shape encourages good licking, which simultaneously helps to clean teeth and lessen anxiety. Strong suction cups hold our lick pads safely in place while you use them. Your pet will be occupied while you effortlessly soap and rinse if you only attach it to the wall of your shower or bathtub. It greatly simplifies dog grooming and bath time. This peanut butter carpet for cats and dogs prevents slippage and falls. With incredibly strong suctions that adhere to tile, porcelain, wood, or glass surfaces, this strong puppy lick mat was created. Number 5. Dog Lick Pad Pet Bathing Grooming. These mats are soft, non-toxic, and composed entirely of excellent food-grade silicone. For usage as a reward during grooming, bathing, or any other stressful moment, like during a storm or a fireworks display, slather it with peanut butter, yogurt, or wet food. These mats don't slide because of their strong suction cups, which keep them firmly in place on tile, glass, or porcelain for up to 24 hours. Endorphins, which are released when a dog licks, can reduce anxiety, boredom, and the destructive behaviors that follow. It is very easy to maintain, just take it off the wall and give it a hand or dishwasher wash. Each package includes a scraper and 2 lick pads for the customer's convenience. The ideal performer for keeping your pet active and content throughout the day is this PetGear Slow Feeder Mat. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.